Hi guys! This is our fourth day here in Lithuania and we're walking around. See, look at the scenery sa baryo nila. May mga baka doon. So peaceful. And madaming apples, you see, I'm eating while walking. So pwede kang mag-pick up ng mga apple dito, no worries. Just kainin mo kahit walang hugas. Kasi wala namang pesticides. Kaya lang, dahil nga walang pesticides, may nakain akong may uod. Protein. Pwede na. Ito hilaw pa, parang mayabas. Masarap. Masim. Walking kami papunta sa hill. Tapos siga, nung may makita kaming I don't know anong meron din. Hi guys, look, may sexy doon na nag-ano. At today tayo, mag-harvest. Guys, harvest tayo. Sil, kamatis, nagbuka na, look. Ato man, nag-red, sayang.
The greenhouse is to protect this in winter.
No, winter is dead.
Two.
Ay, hinog na sila.
Why is the greenhouse there?
May laban.
Because sometimes, even if it's in spring or there's frost, see what happens with the apples. Only one day of frosting, fruits.
Hi guys, it's our last day and well, last day here because tomorrow we're going back to Madrid. Well, I'm going to show you to another lake called Bradisai. It's very relaxed, tranquility. So you come here. May nagsiswimming isa lang. See, you have all the lake for you. But here, actually, parang private property siya, pero mura lang masyado. To rent the cabin, it's like, yes, but you have to pay 3 euros. You can rent. So, yung balloon is for, balloon. My gosh, it's my Spanish, my English, my Tagalog is not working. Anyway, yung bola for rent, 3 euros. Yeah, no, see, the rent, 3 euros. And then the cabin is 5 euros, the rent. We want to use this one. It's nice actually, look at that. You can have party right here. But we're not going to swim. Hindi kami dito mag-stay kasi balik kami uli sa Rasay. Duman lang kami to see the lake. In their natural habitat. Hello. Look at that. The place is beautiful actually. The lake over there. And then they're going up there. Gosh, oh my gosh. Look at this guys. Dito sa lake. Look. Hindi nyo pa magkita but I fall down. I pull it up.
Pescado!
Look!
So many pescado!
Look! Wow! Big fish!
Ayun natin, Jackie. Gano'n kay mamamatay yun?
Look, we're going to die and it's not ours. I don't know who owns this one.
Ikadala may tubig level. Okay na.
Wow!
David, come!
This is another fish, another lake here.
No.
Get one?
I wish I could get one too, but they will be...
Pescado!
Oh!
Yeah, see? Pescado.
You cannot touch it, huh?
Can I? No,
No. It's expensive. Maybe we break something, your father will have heart attack.
See?
Big one.
Guys, look at this. You just put something like this, and then
No,
the
when
big
they
fish
catch
walk.
something.
Oh.
Yeah. But no, it should
Wow,
be
amazing.
It should stay in water
It's
level.
jumping.
Yeah.
It should stay in water level so it will keep them alive.
It's jumping.
Kaso, hindi siya pwedeng nakawin. Hindi siya pwedeng nakawin. I wish we could. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ang sarap.
There's a lot of fish.
Mabilis lang dito mga isda. Honestly. Ay, ilagay ka lang ng ano.
Dapat papuntahin natin si Intoy dito. Yung pangarap niyang mga will.
Dapat pumunta dito yung kapatid namin kasi pangarap niyang mga will. Mga will. Mamingwit. Me quiere. Ay, yung mga ano, bata. Nag-ano ng frog. Just ang daming fish. Amazing. No effort.
Because so many.
So this is called... Sel, what is the name of the lake?
Acho!
Acho! Sel, what is the name of the lake?
Sarte.
Sarte. Lake Sarte. So, this is the second lake for today. No, pero
Don't touch this plant, okay? It's
Oh, yeah.
very itchy. That's
still we
nettle.
have to close because we opened this gate. And there is a cabin, parang for rent siya over there. Cabins.
Maybe we can go from the top.
Wait, cabin. And what I did here in Lithuania, I had my hands colored by their cousin, by their neighbor. Medyo pricey siya kasi parang 27 sa Madrid, ano lang to 13 euros. Pero feeling ko kasi yung materials na ginamit social. Nakita ko yung mga brand. So,
Daniel!
and perfect siya, really.
Come here!
So that's why I think 27 is worth it. And then, this is the cabin. Parang 100 daw, 100 euros siya per night. Ano po? Or more.
50 or...
How to book this one? I don't know if it's available in booking.com. But
May sauna, may
But yeah.
jacuzzi.
sauna, jacuzzi.
Yeah, that's jacuzzi.
See?
Yeah,
So-
this is luxury.
This is a luxury camping, summer camp.
Oh, kita damo to.
But, you know, if you work somewhere in the Middle East, if you earn a lot of money, 100 euros per night is fine. You know? You can come here and stay in the cabin here. So, what's the name of this cabin to book? I will write down when I will write down in the description. I will find it. So this is it. It's, I think, it's modern, and then it's under, you know. Then you wake up, you go to the lake over there, and then you walk here, you go walking along the forest, the woods. So it's a really nice, like, ano ba yun? Maganda siyang get away from the city. Kung galing ang city, tapos may extra money ka, you want to be with nature, you know. Wow, this is really, really. Tapos maganda pagbaba mo sa, sa lake, tapos drop ka lang, balik doon, mag-barbecue. So, and I think 100 euros is not expensive for that kind of luxury. Or maybe could be 100 here or more. Today, this is another side of Sarasai. Ito yung pwede kang mag-jump. Nandito kami kahapon and I didn't take my camera with me. I forgot at home. So then I tried to jump pero the fear won over me. So I couldn't jump. I was shaking. I was just there. Tapos meron ditong mga free may mga table to set to have a lunch with or picnic. May barbecue place pa nga. This place is for free. Wala kang babayaran. You'll enjoy. And this one we have So, mayroon silang mga ganyan. Super love. But we're not going to eat. See? Ang ganda ng lake. And all of this for free.
Ice cream.
Walang
for
bayad.
everyone.
Ice cream.
What are you going to eat? Guys, do you know what I'm eating? Fish. Diba? Laki, Tapos, yeah. I'm here at the lake. Ganyan, oh. Ganyan yung view ko. And my food is this big fish. Kung saan sila nag-jump. At papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung hitsura from atop. Ito siya. Ito siya pag sa malapitan. Yan yan. Ito ang aming mga bata. Tapos 10 meters yung pinakamataas ata. 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10. Tapos, dito ka maglaland. Yung mga, yan. I think tatalon siya. Tatalon siya, hindi siya tatalon. Ayan, let's see. Aber,
Зачем? Породит? Жиря.
look, tingnan natin.
Ну?
Давай.
Aber, kung kaya niya. Wow! Hindi, galing. Akit tayo.
Это серый на щит ангелос нашел. Black flipper серый.
So from here, this is the first floor. Kasi apat na floor.
Ангелос ничего.
So yan, from here, tatalon ka pa dyan. Mukha siyang hindi nakakatakot. Pero pag tatalon na ako, natatakot ako. So dun lang ako sa may dog na yun nag-jump. And second one, second floor. Let's see from the second floor. Get that like this. And so from the second floor, ganito tsura niya. Oh shit. Kurog to the bone. Ganyan. Ganyan siya. Oof. Nanginginig yung pa. To be honest. Ah. Ah. Nanginginig to the bones. Tapos, akyat tayo sa third floor to see only. Tinatawanan ako ni Vides. Alright. So, ito na yung third floor. So, hawak tayo ng ganito. Kasi it's so scary. And you jump over. There. Ganyan na. Diyan ka jump. Matad na siya, no? Ramdam nyo yung taas. Ganito na rin yung view mo na makikita mo dito. Tapos siya yung nag-jump kanina from there. Sa inyo yung mga tao. So imagine. Pero, ganito ako, maawa ko. Kasi, nginig to the bones na talaga. Oh my gosh. There. Ay. Ay. Oh my gosh.
Я коняра. Я шокер.
Ay, lik-lik ito.
Посади коня шокер.
Mag-jump kaya sila? Hindi. What do you think? What do you think? Kagaya ba sila sa akin? Natakot na takot? Oh. Galing siya dito. Galing sa second. Nag-jump sila. Sayang hindi ko napakita. Aber, ito. Tingnan natin. Kung mag-ano siya. Tatalon siya o hindi. Sa tingin niya. Tatalon na tatalon niya. Tatapang sila dito sa talunan. Hindi pa siya na-prepare.
O, meu dabar kažkaip. Bet daugiau, jeigu šoki ant galvos, daugiau. Davai.
Tatalon siya, tatalon siya. Ay, natatakot siya kagaya ko, hindi lang kayang takot. Natatakot siya. Ayan na. Hinan natin.
Ne, nu tai tu tormas.
Natakot siya. Batang to. O, diba? Tinuruan niya yung mas matanda sa kanya. Nawala lang. There. Oh. Akit tayo sa pinakamatangkad. To see from above. Ano siya? Ay, may tao dun.
Kad neapsiverstum ant nugaros. Ai,
Ganyan siya yung view.
išeina susirė.
And hawak ang mga lola. Actually, feeling ko yung iba na tumatalon mas maano pa sa akin, mas matanda pa. But they are just so fit and no fear in life. Like, so this is the last one na. The last platform. Ganito na siya kababa. Kasi tingnan yung mga tao sa baba. So, from here, tatalon sila. Let's see from the view kung ano itsura ng talunan. Oh no, I cannot. That's from the third floor. Yan, ito na yung view mo. Shit, bahala na talaga. Di ko talaga to kaya, sorry. No, I cannot. I cannot, sorry. I can't show you me jumping there. No. I'm going to have a heart attack. Pero pakita ko sa inyo yung view from here. That's Sicilian Vidas over there. Where I was eating fish. And they're eating fish. And there she's coming up. And that's the view over there. That's the lake. Ang bango ng lalaking yun. Kahit ubad siya, bango siya. There, tapos kahapon mula dito nag-jump sila papunta doon. Actually, hindi to safe. Kasi pwede silang mag-fall dyan sa platform na yung ano na yan, lakaran. Yung boardwalk. Kasi ito isa din to sa mga sa mga tatalon dito. They are so brave. I wish I am. But I'm not. Baba na tayo kasi nginig to the booms na ako. Apat na siya na lake. Tapos nag-kayaking kami kasi hindi ko pwedeng dalhin yung camera, yung ano namin. Ano siya lang, 8 euros for 1 hour dito. Yung kabilang side 10. Pero yung kabilang side cheaper pag 2 hours kasi 15 lang. Dito walang discount. So, dito kami nung first naming mga araw. Pumunta kami dito dyan. Yan yung boat namin. So, pumunta kami lang sa GT2. And there. Daniel, David, no, it's not for playing. No, stop. And there. This is our last chance to jump for this summer. I mean, kami na ba? Kasi we're going back to Spain na. So, yan yung kayak nila dito. Dito, mas mahal yung kayaking 10 euros per hour. Pero pag 2 hours, 15 lang. So, makatipid ka ng 5 years pag 2 hours. Ang 1 hour, mabilis lang. Diba doon sa kabila, nag 1 hour kami kanina. Wala. Mabilis lang siya. Tapos, same lang naman ang length ng 1 hour no matter what. Pero hindi mo mamalayan yung ano. Hindi mo mamamalayan yung oras. Tapos na pala yung 1 hour. Tapos, dito, hindi na ako mag-swimming. Kasi tinatamad na ako magbihis gabi. So, lang to, dadaan lang kami kasi mag-jump ulit sila bago kami bumalik tomorrow morning. After dito, balik na kami ng bahay, pack up our things, and back to Madrid. Look at that. May sexy na lilipad. Ay. Mga macho dito yung mga tao. Yung mga tumatalon. May mataba, konti lang. Pero, mostly, mga fit sila lahat. I mean, hindi lahat. Kasi nga mostly. Wala. Sorry na lang. Tapos, isa dito, yung bahay natin. Famous ano daw yan. Owned by, saan ba yan? Yang bahay na yan. Owned by famous writer here in Lithuania. Tapos ano parang yung sinusulat niya is parang funny. Tapos ang sabi niya, pag hindi daw siya, nawalan daw siya ng idea what to write, tumatalon siya dito sa likod. There. Tapos nakakakuha daw siya ng idea. So every time na marating siya sa point na wala siyang idea, pupunta lang siya dito. And that's it, guys. That's it for our Lithuania trip. Our 7-day trip. It's about to conclude. So tomorrow we're back to Madrid. We'll travel from here, the Kishkis region, to Kaunas. That's 2 hours drive. And then from there, 4 hours na flight. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.
My mom's greenhouse.
Her mom's greenhouse. Oh, yeah. See how big it is?
Tomato. Pati sibuyas.
It is very big. And then flowers. I don't know what is that. May lusok din eh. And then I like their apple. I have one. This one they're all green. So many. Oh,
She very
oh,
in legs.
your legs is very bad. Oh, what happened to you? Oh, it hurts, it hurts, it hurts. I'm so sorry.
No, it hurts.
It hurts. Oh. No. Oh, your dad is here.